downstairs and off jumps and let your imagination fly as well.
What is cueing the birds?
I guess you could interpret it many ways. Yeah.
Or do you think they're just following everybody else?
So maybe you heard it, maybe you didn't. I don't know. If the volume's up on this bit.
Basically, you know, he gets when you cue the birds, it's like, you know, that's when it gets done.
No, that wasn't the question. The question was
blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah.
Cueing the birds? Help? Or I guess, I don't know, like, he's like, you know, and having, you know, that makes sense, okay.
I can do anything.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Neutron, proton, mass effect, lyrical oxidation, your irrelevant mass spectrograph, your electron volt, atomic energy erupting as I get all open on betatrons, gamma rays, thermal cracking, cyclotron, any and every mic you're on, transuranium, if y'all was uranium, molecules, spontaneous combustion.
Oh, hey.
Law of definite proportion, gain ink weight, I'm every element around. Lead, gold, tin, iron, platinum, zinc. When I rap, you think iodine, nitrate, activate. Like uranium, the only difference is I transmit sound. Careful with those ingredients. They can explode and blow up if you drop them and they hit the. Oh! Let it flow, yo. Just let it go. Get back. CaOH2 lime water solution of calcium hydroxide slaughtered at CaO lime will make bleach powder. Galvanic metal beats stomp out louder. Dry ice CO square refrigerant NO2 makes you laugh. It's laughing gas used by dentists. I'm muriatic acid glue. I'm like oil of vitriol, the king of chemicals, energy, heat, gas, weight, all your mass. Chemical change, ice point, melt all your raps. Atomic wave, volt shocks when you call. We laugh. Fillable gas keep going way beyond biatch. Ammonia with buzz and fill the ambiance. A diabetic process ought to calm your ass. After I warm your ass, I give you sodium silicate NO2 S103 a water glass. Borax fluxing with brimstone sulfur. Boracic acid, hip hop preserver. CO2 could never put away the fire. Style aromas is scientific. The lyrical views would be connected to teach you chemical calisthenics. That all matter is composed of at least three fundamental parts.
From the top of front. I'm at the emergency room right now. Kirk, he's okay, but he shattered his knee into 8 pieces.
End of message.
We were buried under
man-child approved. Hell yeah, it is. It's man-child approved. I like it. I don't know. It's kind of glorified rollerblading. But at the same time, but anyway, it's cooler. He's man-child approved.
Al and Duke. Al Fox. Duke Fox.
assure yourself the artsiness.
Right.
So you're guaranteed, like myself, and I'm just trying to get this whole art thing going. You know, I don't smoke, but maybe I'll start.
Go down, Sonic style, dog!
You see the profit, but I see the investor. You think it's garbage, but to me it is treasure. You think it's bad, but things will only get better. My outside's paper, but my inside is leather. I can handle what they dish.
Oh!
I may look dumb, but I'm not foolish. You see my necktie and it seems out of place. Say green and white was never ever in taste. You really wanna push in my face. My dresses tell you just to step out my space. Judge the outside if you wish. I may look dumb, but I'm not foolish. Shoot me and explain the rules. I'll never jump right to the comfort of rules. Are you setting the pace? Shoot me and explain the rules. I'll never put the gun on your tool. Are you just in the way? No problem, really, it was my pleasure. Releases half of what we call the pressure. Next time you think that they can never measure, it's hardly right to go and judge at your leisure. I can handle what they dish. I may look dumb, but I'm not foolish. Judge the outside if you wish. I may look dumb, but I'm not foolish.
In a second, like something could just fly at you and just attack you, like bird. A sheep.
Just tell me when to cue and I'll cue.
Hey, you guys need to get serious about this.
Headed for some other state. On the bottom of the lake. Red letters on the overpass. Red letters. Some things weren't meant to last. Keep running. Red letters on a lonely card. Red letters.
Get in the fish island, mate. Fish island.
Fly and jump and spin and twist.
We go from station to make way, you fucking curly ass hamburger fucking.
When I was a child, running in the night, I was afraid of what might be. Hiding in the dark and hiding on the streets for none of what was following me. The hounds of the love were calling. I've always been
Putting in bird noises for ambiance. I'm not making this up. The birds are not even there.
True love said, cue the birds.
Do not try to make your friendship attractive through flattery and fantasy. Do not speak with a double heart. Do not maintain your anger against your neighbor for the day, but humble yourself and ask forgiveness. Do not try to make your friendship attractive through flattery and hypocrisy. Do not speak with a double heart.
We just didn't fill it up with gas. We blew it, but we have gas.
That's good. Oh, you have gas?
Yeah.
Yeah, Burtner, how you like me now?
I'ma kick back and chill and have fun with it. Summertime barbecue and good meat, man, come get it. Smoke smelling up the street, cooler full of Heineken. Everybody in the party begging me to rhyme again. Okay, I'll kick a little something for you. Chicka fricka freak, break it down. Yo, folks shaking to the beat. Old ladies on their feet, granddaddy fell asleep. Hella trees getting cheap, water on the grass. Kids on the slip and slide, everybody ballin'. Roll up in the rent and ride, push. Now the smoke be the serenade. 2 tubs of marinade, soap for repair days. Okay, y'all can grub after getting blazed. Everybody get a plate, hella hungry, get a taste. I gotta skate for a minute, gotta break for a minute. Let me get 2 plates, I'll be right back in it. I'll paint the image, you can see how I'm living without coming to the crib. The land of the midnight sun, the sun don't come down, night don't come, it's so much fun. Got the chocolate on the grill, the liquor on chill. The party stay poppin', ain't nobody standing still. Hold up, I see this cat in the back on tilt, looking like he about to spill his guts and they spill.
Who's get this dude, man? He's about to puke on your grandma's lawn, homie.
You nasty, move past me. You ain't coming next time, so don't ask me. And if I had to tell somebody go home, it'd be your ass, get up on my grass, clean up alone. Try to stomach all that liquor where it didn't belong. That's some little kid shit, you little trick, be gone. I got fresh, clean tennis shoes, no show socks. Street signs backed up down the block. All the girls coming through with the skimpy clothing. Summertime cookouts, all we smoking. The sun ain't setting and the cars is out. Everybody hit the streets when the bars get out. You been waiting all day for nighttime to play. Don't you come and see me up in AK, I'm the fine. Spent the whole day queuing out there getting tipsy, throwing footballs, hitting little kids with frisbees. Kids smelling faulty, all that food I cooked. Took a shower, clean the house, got my keys and shook. Now I'm leaning back, I'm in the cooking motion. Hit the car once, dip clean and smoking. Waiting all day for nighttime to play. Why don't you thugs put your guns away? All the girls be drinking, touching, rubbing, upping, grabbing, clutching, freaking, bumping, masking some shit. Too many white Russians, that's when the clothes come off. All the dudes be sliding, slipping, grinding, fishing, parking lot pimping, whole liquor sipping, late night missions, playing a position, trying to throw some game in hit, and that's it. Cause up in AK, it's a party, y'all. Whether it's summer solstice or Spinelli wrong. 4th of July jet skis with TVs, big lake full of wood chip bikinis, chicks with mixed drinks, dudes with pop tops, 49 state. We don't worry about top cops, it's all over the.
me guarantee. You say we ain't on field, but I'm gonna kill. Keep doing it till I get everybody everywhere. People are people and they never scared away. I say, stand dead, no pain. Tell you look for authenticity. I'm gonna find what you wanted in me. Had it function long time ago. Had it function, but the thing it was so. I never wanted it down. Doing transition, but too lazy to stand. Not going down, all we know it's the rail. Keep going down, all because of a myth.
Whoa! Oh no.
Thanks, Brian.